కనిపించారు ఇంత ముందు. ఓకే. సో నా ఎడ్యుకేషన్ డైరెక్టర్ కాశీనా సార్ ఉన్నారు. ఓకే ఓకే, వెరీ కాశీనాజీ
ఉన్నారు వాసం
ఉన్నారు కానీ కొంచెం ఐ థింక్ హోస్ట్ ఉన్నారు. అదే హోస్ట్ చేశాను బట్ ఈజ్
నాట్ రెస్పాండింగ్.
preoccupied with some others. ఓకే సార్, ఈ లోపు మీరు కానీ చేస్తాను.
యా, ఫార్మల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి వన్స్ అగైన్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ ఎవరీవన్. నేను
పిల్లలకి ఏమన్నా ఛాన్స్ ఇద్దాం అంటే మాట్లాడిన తర్వాత ఒక 5-10 minutes పిల్లలకి అన్మ్యూట్ చేసే ఆప్షన్ ఇద్దాం.
ఓకే
సార్ క్యారియన్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. ప్రశ్న సార్.
ఐ ప్రిఫర్ టు బి ఇన్ఫార్మల్ లిటిల్ బిట్. నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఫార్మల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి ప్రిన్సిపాల్ గారు, రమేష్ గారు, అందరూ కెమిస్ట్రీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ స్టాఫ్, చంద్రమౌళి సార్, సింగ్జీ, డాక్టర్ సింగ్జీ ఇంతకుముందు కమిషనర్ డైరెక్టర్ ఆఫీస్ నుండి, అండ్ ఆల్సో అవర్ బిలౌడ్ డైరెక్టర్ ప్రొఫెసర్ ఎన్వి రామనారావు గారు. వన్స్ అగైన్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టు ఎవ్రీ వన్. ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ ఫార్మల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి సో ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు బి లిటిల్ ఇన్ఫార్మల్ అండ్ జస్ట్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు షేర్ మై ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, what I am, what I was and what I am today, and also what is actually free coaching. ఇంతకుముందు రమేష్ సార్ చెప్పినట్టు పిల్లలు మేమందరం మీలాగానే పల్లెటూరు నుండి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళము, తెలుగు మీడియంలో చదువుకున్న వాళ్ళము. ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ నేను నా డిగ్రీ ఇక్కడే సీకెం కాలేజ్ 1996 పాస్డ్ అవుట్, తెలుగు మీడియంలో చదువుకున్నాము. నేను ఇలాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్కు అసోసియేట్ కావడానికి మెయిన్ రీజన్ ఏంటంటే 1993లో నేను సీకెం కాలేజ్లో అడ్మిషన్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఐ డోంట్ నో ది కార్బన్ వ్యాలెన్సీ. ఓకే, బట్ ఫార్చునేట్లీ ఐ గాట్ అసోసియేటెడ్ విత్ శ్రీ రవీందర్ గారు. ఆయన స్కూల్ టీచర్, జస్ట్ మొన్ననే లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ రిటైర్ అయ్యారు. ఓకే, సో he used to give chemistry coaching. Okay, and I joined his coaching classes. And 1996లో మేము BSc ఫైనల్ ఇయర్కి వచ్చినప్పుడు he started free coaching classes. And I am the first product of a free coaching class. I got admission into organic chemistry of Usmania University, University of College of Science, Usmania University, and also I got a seat at Kakatiya University. I got a seat in biochemistry of Usmania University, chemistry of University of Hyderabad, botany of University of Hyderabad, and also B.Ed. So why I am sharing this is, ఇప్పుడు ఫ్రీ జనరల్గా పిల్లలకు ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు జనరల్ సొసైటీలో టెండెన్సీ ఏదైనా కానీ ఫ్రీగా వస్తుందంటే మనం దానికి వాల్యూ ఇవ్వం. ఇన్ఫ్యాక్ట్ నౌ ఐఎమ్ ప్యారలల్లీ అసోసియేటెడ్ విత్ అనదర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. యాక్చువల్లీ ఐఎమ్ అ స్టూడెంట్ ఆఫ్ గురుకుల రెసిడెన్షియల్ స్కూల్స్, నాట్ ది సోషల్ వెల్ఫేర్ అండ్ ట్రైబల్ వెల్ఫేర్, ఏపీ రెసిడెన్షియల్ స్కూల్స్. వీ హ్యావ్ హియర్ బండార్పల్లిలో ఒక స్కూల్ ఉంది, ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ హసన్పర్తిలో గర్ల్స్ స్కూల్ ఉంది, కాలేజ్ ఉంది. ఐఎమ్ అసోసియేట్, ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ సిస్టమ్. And now we are doing free coaching for 200 students of both Andhra and Telangana. Okay, so we are offering free JEE NEET coaching. The reason for associating with this type of free coachings or maybe this type of coachings is I am the product of free coaching in 1996. That is one. And ఇంకొక విషయము రమేష్ గారు ఇంతకు చెప్పినట్టు, ఐ కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ అ స్మాల్ విలేజ్, ఎస్ట్వైల్ ఆదిలాబాద్, నౌ కుమ్రం భీం, అడవులలో ఉంటుంది మా ఊరు. సో ఇప్పటి వరకు మా ఊరికి బస్సు కూడా లేదు. అఫ్ కోర్స్ మేబీ ఒక 2 kilometers దూరం నుండి ఒక హైవే పోతుంది. సో మళ్ళీ దిగి మా ఊరికి లోపలికి వెళ్ళాలన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్. అండ్ ఫ్రమ్ ది రిమోట్ విలేజ్, ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీటింగ్ మై MSc ఫ్రమ్ Usmania University Hyderabad, I joined IIT Bombay and completed my PhD in 2005. Later I went to France and rest is history. So today I am associate professor at NIT Warangal and I'm very happy. More important, okay, so naakante ekku important endante I am a first generation student or maybe first generation person to come to higher studies and first person to complete my PhD from a premier organization or premier institute like IIT Bombay. Many of you might be knowing that IIT Bombay is #1 technology institute in the country now. Okay, and I am the #1 person or maybe first person to complete my PhD from such an institute. Okay, in entire constituency of my district అని చెప్పే బదులు మొత్తం కాన్స్టిట్యున్సీ అని చెప్పొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ మై బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్. Why I am sharing all these things? Whatever I am sharing today is because of my friends and my teachers. and you are very fortunate that you got teachers like Chandramouli sir. I think before last year when I came to KDC, I was asking about Chandramouli sir, right? Dr. Ramesh Garu. I was expecting that Basavoju Chandramouli sir is associated with this coaching, but different Chandramouli sir is there, and I am very fortunate to see him today. Thank you very much, sir. You are associated with this program from last 10 years. In fact, as Dr. Ramesh was mentioning, it is your brainchild actually. So today there are so many students who are getting admissions into universities, central universities and IITs. Not IITs. So far we have not got into IIT, I guess. But this time I expect, okay, at least a couple of students should get into
IITs. Sir, compulsory IIT.
Yes.
Already
okay,
NIT paata padipayina kabatti sir compulsory IIT
raavali. We will do that. Okay. So for Chandramouli sir gurinchi maatladutunnanu nenu. So me brainchild kabatti idi definitely this is in very good hands of likes of like Dr. Ramesh Garu, Dr. Ashok Garu, Dr. Vasam Srinivas Garu, Dr. Satyanarayan Garu, and entire staff of Department of Chemistry, Kakatiya Government College, Hanamkonda. And I'm sure this program will be going years together, and there will be many more students will be getting benefited. About the program, and coming to the students, I congratulate them who got first rank in the PG set. It is not easy to get first rank. I know. When we were appearing for the entrance exams in those days, some of my friends who are my contemporaries, in fact, Dr. Vasam Srinivas and myself, we are MSc classmates in Usman University campus. When we were appearing for the entrance in those days, Usman University entrance used to be one of the toughest exam to crack, even compared to University of Hyderabad entrance. And if somebody is getting rank in Usman University, means like more or less he will be, most of the time he will be succeeding in Usman University entrance, and also at the same time he will be succeeding in University of Hyderabad. So University of Hyderabad in those days, maybe they used to prefer only MPC students, and BPC students they were not taking seats there. But in Usman University we do not have that kind of rule where only MPC students should get admitted to the course. Andukani most of the biology students used to be in Usman University. Even today also, I am 100% sure that compared to JAM entrance exam, okay, the entrance exam or pattern of Usman University or maybe your state university entrance exam will be tougher than the JAM exam. That means if you are preparing for JAM, okay, so it will be useful for your university entrance exam, and also if you are preparing for university entrance exam, definitely it will be useful for your JAM exam. So that's why my dear students, you are very fortunate to have teachers like Chandramouli sir, and under the leadership of Chandramouli sir, and under the leadership of Dr. Ramesh Garu and Dr. Vasam Srinivas and other colleagues. Kindly make use of this opportunity and try to prepare well for the JAM and also CU set. There are about so maybe I will just briefly introduce about what is JAM and all. So you know that JAM entrance exam is conducted by IIS Bangalore this year, and there are two types of institutes where where JAM is used. So one is participating institute, and another is the facility using institute. There is another terminology actually. So there are about 19 IITs, including IIS Bangalore, and 19 IITs. That means 20 institutes will be giving the admissions in different subjects like physics, chemistry, maths, statistics, and economics is introduced this year in some of the institutes. They are giving the admission into MA program or MSc program in economics in couple of IITs. And some of the institutes, they also give the admission into integrated PhD. Okay, and there are other type of institutes like result sharing institutes. There are about 21 institutes, including 19 NITs and IIEST Shibpur, that is in West Bengal, and there is one more private institute where these are the result sharing institute. So all put together, there may be about at least 3,000 to 4,000 seats, including IITs and NITs. If not 3 to 4, at least 2,000 seats will be there definitely, and you are very fortunate and you are getting opportunity to get into some of these premier organizations. Then, what is the advantage? Advantage is, we know that there is a degree college in Sirpur Kagaznagar, there is a degree college in Narsampet, and there is a degree college in Hanamkonda, and also there is a degree college in Hyderabad. సో ఐ విల్ ట్రై టు పుట్ ఇన్ లేమాన్స్ లాంగ్వేజ్. ఓకే, సో జనరల్ గా మనం పల్లెటూరులో ఉంటే ఒక రకమైన ఫెసిలిటీ ఉంటుంది, టౌన్ కి వస్తే ఇంకొక రకమైన ఫెసిలిటీ ఉంటుంది, డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ సెంటర్ కి వస్తే ఇంకొక రకమైన ఫెసిలిటీ ఉంటుంది, అదే మీరు స్టేట్ క్యాపిటల్ కి వెళ్తే ఇంకొక రకమైన ఫెసిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. సేమ్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ హియర్ ఆల్సో. Maybe there will be a degree college and there will be very good teachers, but there may not be a facility in the degree college where it is located in the remote areas. But there will be a facility in the degree college where it is, if it is located in the district center or maybe in a big town. Okay, same thing like your degree colleges, same thing is applied for these institutes. You know that IIS Bangalore is one of the topmost institute in the world, not only in India. So it is number one institute in sciences in the country, but it comes in top 25 institutes in the world. Imagine if you are getting admission into IIS Bangalore for your MSc. Okay, so there will be highly qualified faculty members, and there will be super facilities in the laboratories, and you will be exposed to some of the high-end institutes or maybe sophisticated, not institutes, sorry, or sophisticated instruments. Like you study NMR. Okay, so you are studying theoretically, but if you get into IITs or NITs, most of the NITs are having these instruments, including even we also have the instrument like LC-HRMS we have. So you know mass, you read a little bit of mass spectrometry, you get exposure to mass. Okay, literally you can see that mass spectrometer, how it works, what is the principle behind it, and what is the operation and all. IR, you read infrared spectroscopy, you read UV visible spectroscopy. Okay, all these instruments you get an opportunity to handle. Okay, and also NMR spectroscopy you read a little bit during your entrance exam. Okay, so if you get into these institutes, you will be getting exposure to some of the sophisticated instruments and their operation, the principle involved and their application. That is one. Not only that, they will also have very good research groups, excellent research groups and world-class top scientists. Okay, you will be getting opportunity to interact with them on a day-to-day basis because they will be taking classes for you. Okay, not only that, in the second year you will have the dissertation. So you will be attached with every faculty for your dissertation. You will be spending time in their laboratories for about maybe more than 6 months. Okay, and during that period you will be getting exposure, or you will be getting experience. You will be working with the research scholars. Okay, and while working with the research scholars, you will be getting an opportunity to understand what is research. Okay, so obviously it will be topic specific or research faculty specific, but at least you will be getting an opportunity to understand what is research. Okay, and with that you can apply for the PhD program, okay, within India and also abroad. ఒక్కసారి మీరు ఈ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ లో ల్యాండ్ అయ్యారు అంటే, ఓకే, మళ్ళీ మీకు మళ్ళీ తిరిగి చూడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఇస్, సో రీసెర్చ్ ఎక్స్పోజరే కాకుండా దేర్ ఆర్ మెనీ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ దే హ్యావ్ as a part of their MSc curriculum. Okay, they have the internships. Okay, so national level and international exchange programs and also internships. Okay, so as a part of this international internship, they will send you to another country like European country or America or maybe Japan or maybe Korea. Okay, where there is a quality research happening. That means you will be getting an opportunity to visit foreign country. Imagine during MSc itself, if you are going abroad and if you are visiting a foreign university and working there for maybe 2 months or 3 months, something like that. Okay, after coming back, okay, before going, what is the person you are going to be, and after coming back, what the person you are going to be. Definitely the exposure will be helping you to make your career. The exposure will be helping you to think in a different way about the research problem, about the research topic, about the topic whatever you are reading during your MSc program. And not only that, that exposure will help you to make your career properly. Maybe you will be offered a PhD program in that particular university, in foreign university. Okay, or maybe particular research group in foreign university. Okay, like that there are plenty of opportunities. Not only that, obviously the NITs will be doing so many national and international conferences. During the conference, we usually invite some of the top scientists as speakers. Okay, so during the conference you will be getting the exposure, or you will be getting an opportunity to interact with the faculty members who are coming as a resource person. Today I am there as a resource person. So today our beloved director Professor Ramana Rao Garu, he came as a chief guest. Okay, so the way he was talking, the profile, okay, the way I am talking, or my profile or my maybe the personal background, my professional background, okay, definitely will be helping you to make some of the decisions in your career and also your life. Okay, so my point here is, if you are landing into some of the premier organizations like this, okay, so you will be making your career, you will be becoming a better person personally, you will be becoming a better person professionally, and also some of you might be like me. As I mentioned, I am the first generation person in my entire family. I am the first generation person in my village. I am the first generation person, okay, in my entire constituency to go to IIT Bombay. Okay, so I hope there are few people who will be first generation people in their family, in their village, in their constituency, or maybe in their area, so that they will be a role model. And if when they can become role model, if they get into some of these premier organizations, and if they make their career in a better way, okay, definitely they will be becoming role models, and many people will be following them. Today, if you go to my area and if you ask any person who is of 30 to 40 years of age group, I don't think so. Maybe 80% of the people know about me, particularly in the community. Obviously, it will be within the community and outside the community also. But at least even outside the community also, maybe 40 to 50% of the people knows about me, because I do a lot of outreach activities even in my area also. Okay, keeping in view of or maybe considering my financial, my social, and also my village background. Okay, I want to associate with this type of program. That's how people know about me, and many people take opinion from me for their admissions into MSc programs, into JEE, into NEET, and all those things. Okay, so my point here is, I want some of you to get into, not I, okay, so all the teachers who are associated with this program, okay, we want you to get into some of these premier organizations and make your career better, and try to help your people, like people around you, maybe your friends, within the family, your brothers, or maybe your sisters, your cousins, and known people in your village, known people in your area. Okay, like that, maybe once you get into this system, definitely there will be a news. Okay, so obviously now we are living in the era where there is a information available on the fingertips, whether it is a Google or Facebook or WhatsApp or Zoom, whatever it is. So if you are getting seat into NIT or IIT or ISAR or IISc, means definitely there will be a news. Yesterday there were results announced, and there is a news about the girl who got first rank, and even her opinion was taken by Eenadu paper. In the morning I was looking into Eenadu paper. In the first page itself, her voice is there, I was very much overwhelmed, and I was very much I felt very happy to observe that she took the name of the coaching. Okay, so she took the name of this coaching. Okay, she said she used the opportunity where she got this coaching, free coaching offered by government college Hanamkonda, and also she acknowledged the teachers who are associated with this program. That means everybody who followed yesterday's results, okay, knows about the girl who got first rank, and knows about the free coaching going on at KDC. Okay, I'm sorry, I am still practicing like Kakatiya Degree College. That is a KDC, and now the terminology has changed. Okay, but doesn't matter. Okay, so like that, the free coaching. Okay, and another thing I humbly request you is, don't overlook this. Okay, so definitely you have to follow certain practices for reading the subject, for understanding the subject, for referring the notes whatever your teachers are giving, for referring the books whatever they are recommending. Okay, so if you work systematically, definitely you are going to get seat into IIT or NIT, or maybe IIS Bangalore. Not only this coaching will be useful for your state entrance and also CU set. Okay, of course your ISARs have different exam. Okay, not only that, one more thing is there. Okay, in case after completing your MSc, if you are appearing for GRE, subject GRE, if your basics are good, okay, even for GRE also your subject is going to be useful, and the training whatever you are going to get during this coaching program, okay, will be useful for making admission into foreign universities, particularly UK and US universities, where GRE score is very important for getting into some of the top universities for the admission into PhD programs. Okay, so my point here is all of us, everybody associated with this program, we came from a village background, we came from Telugu medium background, but today we are able to maybe bring some of the young minds, okay, into this. Okay, so in fact, Chandramouli sir was mentioning, and Singhji was mentioning that there is a tendency in the society, particularly in our both Telugu states, unfortunately. Okay, so if you are MPC, you should go into engineering, or if you are BPC, you should go into medicine or maybe paramedical courses. No, it is not like that. Today, there are plenty of opportunities for basic science students. There are plenty of opportunities after master's programs. Whether it is chemistry, whether it is physics, whether it is maths, whether it is statistics. Okay, so only thing is you have to be good in the subject. Okay, only thing is you have to be focused till you make your career, till you reach your goal. And cracking MSc entrance is not your goal. Okay, cracking your MSc entrance exam is the stepping, like this is the first step which you are going to take. Okay, so as Chandramouli sir mentioned, okay, so sir was mentioning very clearly, this is the beginning. This is the beginning of our professional career. Once you get into MSc, okay, so for example, now you are taking MSc entrance and particularly chemistry, okay, and in the BSc you are reading botany, zoology, physics, botany, zoology, chemistry, physics, maths, chemistry. Okay, you have the combination of the subjects, and you are reading these optional subjects in equal ratio. Like maybe a couple of say 200 or 300 marks for chemistry, 300 marks for maths, and 300 marks for physics, like that for MPC students. Same thing with maybe biology students. Same thing with maybe the combination of the subjects. But still you will be saying that BSc MPC, BSc BZC. Okay, but once you get into MSc, you will be branded with that particular subject. MSc organic chemistry, MSc chemistry, MSc analytical chemistry, MSc inorganic chemistry, something like that. Okay, of course I don't believe in the sub-subject of the boundaries of the sub-subjects. Okay, for me, whether it is organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry is equally important, and as a teacher I don't recommend the division in organic chemistry, physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry. For me it is chemistry, because if I want to read organic chemistry and if I want to study the kinetics of organic reaction without depending on physical chemist, I cannot do organic chemistry. And if I want to do some organic chemistry, and if I'm using some organometallic complex or as a catalyst without depending on inorganic chemist, I cannot do organic chemistry. Same thing with them also. Okay, so if physical chemist want to read something related to organic chemistry, or maybe if he wants to study the kinetics, definitely he has to come back to organic chemistry. And same thing with the inorganic chemistry person, if he want to do some organic reaction using organometallic complex, they have to turn to organic chemistry. That's why it is interdependent, it is interdisciplinary. Okay, so what you are going to read at MSc first year and second year level is going to be the beginning of the subject. Okay, and as you grow, as you go into the details of the subject for your research or for your dissertation, definitely you will be confined to a particular topic, and over a period of time you will be mastering in that particular topic, and you will be branded with that topic. Okay, and that topic will be helping you to make your career. Whether you go to maybe industry, in industry we have so many things. You have pharmaceutical industry, you have drug discovery, you have polymer industry, you have environmental chemistry, you have toxicology, you have food chemistry. Okay, there are different branches. Okay, within organic chemistry, within inorganic chemistry. Okay, within physical chemistry also there are different branches. Okay, and you will be mastering that, and you will be becoming master into that particular subject, and you will be making a career into that particular subject. Okay, so my point here is, dear students, I think we have started this program at 3 o'clock. It is going to be maybe free, so it is close to 2 hours. I don't want to take much time, but my humble request to you is, don't overlook this program. Okay, don't take it easy, because all the teachers who are associated with this program, including today's speakers and our chief guest. Okay, so in spite of having his busy schedule, okay, with very short notice, yesterday evening I spoke to sir, and immediately he agreed. Okay, because why he agreed, why he might have associated with this program, because he connects with this program. He connects with this program. Okay, as a responsible person, as a leader of one of the premier organization. Okay, he relates to the people who are attending this program, particularly to the students community. That's why immediately he agreed and he said he will be there as a chief guest, and he said he will be addressing the students who are attending this program. Why I am there? Though I have my other meeting or maybe other assignment, I am associated with this program because I relate to the background of the students who are attending this program. I relate to my background. I relate to my academic qualification, my academic background, okay, and I want the students of this program who are coming from, whether it is urban area, rural area, doesn't matter, Telugu medium, English medium, doesn't matter. I want them to get into this program and seriously they pursue all these things and get into some of the premier organizations like IITs, NITs, and I want, okay, them to be in a better position than me. Okay, just now Chandramouli sir was mentioning. Okay, so we know that the success of the children, okay, will be measured, or maybe success of the parent will be measured in terms of the success of the children. Similarly, the success of a teacher will be measured, okay, in terms of the success of their students. Okay, so I strongly believe into this. Okay, today I am here, okay, and I am speaking to you as associate professor at NIT Warangal. Okay, I am associate professor because of my teachers, and there will not be any platform where I do not take Dr. Ravinder sir's name, Dr. Vijay Kumar sir's name. Okay, who taught me the carbon valency? Who taught me the carbon valency? Professor David Kurpadanam, who taught me asymmetric synthesis. Okay, like that there are so many teachers at MSc level, at BSc level, at intermediate level, at school level. Okay, school level is a foundation, and some of the teachers like Raoji is there, Rangacharyalu, Hanumantrao sir. So many teachers are associated in my life. Okay, and because of them today I am here. And so many teachers are associated with this program, leaving their personal things, leaving their family, leaving their professional things. Okay, so they came forward to offer a free coaching. Okay, and with a lot of hard work, with a lot of focus for framing a question. I am associated with one of the competitive exam for framing a question bank. I don't want to reveal. Okay, but sometimes we have to do a lot of brainstorming, and on an average I do only 5 questions in a day. I sit at 9 o'clock and I sit till 5 o'clock in the evening, maybe 6 o'clock in the evening or 7 o'clock. Okay, 5 questions are maximum. Okay, sometimes there are different different levels of questions. Easy questions are there, moderately easy questions are there, and difficult questions are there, because the question paper pattern will be to differentiate an excellent student, an average student, and also a poor student. Okay, so this is with academic exam, and also this is with the competitive exam. Okay, so particularly for the competitive exam, to frame a question, you have to do a lot of brainstorming. Okay, like Chandramouli sir mentioned, and also our beloved director Professor Ramana Rao garu mentioned. Okay, so to do a question, we have to do a lot of brainstorming. Then to crack that question, you can imagine what type of work is required and what type of hard work all the teachers who are associated with this program are putting into. Okay, that's why my humble request to all the students, kindly not to take, okay, easily. Okay, so some of you might be coming from the employees background. Some of you are coming from the maybe self-employed background, like your parents. Okay, and I am 100% sure that 80% of you are coming from the agriculture background, or maybe 80% of you are coming from relatively, maybe I don't want to use the terminology, but relatively poor background. Okay, for us free coaching means a lot. For us free coaching means a lot. In 1996, I had a difficulty in offering 200 rupees to Dr. Ravinder garu. Okay, who is a teacher and a retired teacher. Okay, and now he's staying here only in nearby Warangal. Okay, so I had difficulty in offering 200 rupees. When I gave this 200 rupees to sir in the form of fees, sir knows about my background, and he immediately put that 200 rupees into my pocket bag, and the words he said still I remember. In 1996. Okay, so this 200 rupees for me may not be a big deal, Dr. Kashinath, but this 200 rupees means to you a lot. Okay, means a lot to you. Okay, keep these 200 rupees in your pocket only and use for your daily activities. Okay, and you can attend my classes freely. With my social background, I was the first person to get a free seat. I don't hesitate to reveal my social background. In fact, I come from socially weaker section. Okay, and I was a topper in Usman University entrance. I think Dr. Vasam Srinivas is there. Okay, and also in the category, I don't hesitate, because unless you reveal your identity, okay, so people will not recognize you. Okay, so I am proud of that, and that is nothing. I did not do any mistake. Because I born in a socially weaker section. Okay, so it is not my mistake. But yes, now it is very important. I might have born into that category, but now I have to compete with the world. If I am not doing research at par with other person, if I am not teaching at par with other person, there is no meaning of coming from XYZ background, or maybe there is no meaning of coming from maybe PhD from IIT Bombay. Okay, so that's why, my dear students, don't worry about all those things. Okay, so hurdles will be there always, and we have to go through the life. Okay, so we have to go through all the hurdles. Okay, kindly focus. Okay, so maybe if you are taking entrance coaching for this year, you might not be getting into IIT. Okay, but you might be missing IIT by a few marks. Then you have an opportunity to analyze your strength and weakness. That is what we call SWOT analysis. Okay, strength, weak analysis and all. Okay, with that confidence, maybe you can get into maybe you can appear for next year, and you may get into IISc, or maybe you may get into one of the best colleges like IIT Bombay. Okay, you might be losing 1 year, but entire life will be good. Okay, in fact, I myself experienced. Okay, so I told you that I don't know carbon valency during my first year, but I appeared the MSc entrance exam of Kakatiya University in 1995 when I was in MSc second year, sorry, BSc second year. And I got seat into Kakatiya University. Okay, that means it is not because of my whatever social background. Okay, so at that time I completed my first year syllabus. At that time I completed my second year syllabus. Okay, and I appeared for the entrance. I got a seat in not in the first list, maybe second list, but with that confidence I prepared. Of course, we have strengths and weakness. I don't want to recommend that, but since there is a context, I am sharing my story. Okay, my strength was organic chemistry. And I remember in Usman University entrance, out of 33, I got 31 correct. Okay, so this may not be applicable to everyone, but you can do your SWOT analysis, you can do strength and weakness analysis, and kindly focus on your strength and try to overcome your weakness. Doesn't matter, it may be weakness, but over a period of time, we have to overcome and try to overcome it and appear for the entrance exam. Do well. If not JAM, CU set. If not CU set, JAM. If not JAM and CU set, it will be State University entrance. Even after State University, also you be in touch with your teachers who help you to get into some of these premier organizations. Okay, they all are experienced. Okay, and with that you can make your life better in your future. Okay, so maybe I spoke a lot. Maybe. More than it is motivation, it is kind of I talked more about me. It is kind of self dabba. That's what we tell we call in Telugu. It doesn't matter, but this is a true story. It is not with me. It is not about me. Okay, all the people who are sitting, who are attending this program, all the teachers who are associated with this program are coming from that kind of humble background. That's why we value this free coaching, and we want to make your career. We want to make you as one of the first persons in your family, first generation person in your family, to make your career in a better way. Okay, we are hoping and we are requesting, my humble request to all of you, not to take it easy. Kindly work towards getting into some system and make your life. And maybe anyway, still we are in the maybe we entered into a second week, I think, but still I wish all of you, all the attendees of this program, a happy, prosperous and successful new year. And also health is more important in these pandemic conditions. So keep your health in a good shape, and also do well in your personal and professional lives. So with this, I wish all the students best wishes. In fact, I want to tell you one more thing. If anybody is there in and around Warangal, okay, Of course, now our library is closed, but I was heading the library, and Dr. Ramesh Garu knows that I kept my library, our library, open for the students because we have more than 2 lakhs books. Okay, so maybe thousands of books for chemistry by different authors. Okay, all the students who are coming from government colleges appearing for the entrance exams, for them I used to keep our library open. Now we cannot do, but all the teachers who are associated with this program might be having books by different authors and all. Okay, so in fact I want to show my collection. I have so many books. So this is at home, and also maybe in my office I have so many books. If any of you wants to use my facility, my library, my collection of the books, you are welcome, and you can use, okay, read and keep back and help others. Okay, with this I thank all of you for listening me for last maybe 45 minutes or so, okay, for your patience. And also I thank Ramesh Garu and his team, okay, for giving me the opportunity. I will be very happy to be associated with this program